Hey folks, today's video is all about greens, enjoying your greens. We want to get as many greens in as possible to our healing program. We don't want to be forcing greens in, we want to be enjoying greens because that's the key to making this whole process sustainable. So I'm going to take you through the day with me and show you how I included greens in every single meal and how I enjoyed them. So I started the day here with a green juice, Greg's Magic 7 green juice. And the greens in here are kale, unless you want to count celery and cucumber, which are also green and highly nutritious. Carrot, apple, ginger, lemon, celery, cucumber, and kale. And I'm just experimenting with a veto juicer here. It's a vertical juicer. If you've watched my videos before, you would have seen I make most of my juices in an Omega 8006 horizontal. But this is also a slow RPM, so it's great for greens. And it did pretty well. A bit more of a pulpy juice than my usual Omega, but it's pretty good and definitely the way to get loads of greens into your diet. Next up, we have a smoothie bowl, and underneath this amazing looking, delicious, fruitful topping is a delicious green smoothie made from bananas and spinach. Maybe you're not a huge fan of green smoothies as yet, but the more you get used to making them, the more you'll see that they actually taste just the same as non-green smoothies. They can taste just as sweet, delicious, creamy, and oh, how good does that look? I almost just want to go back and make this meal again, even though it's the evening time. And that's the beauty of this lifestyle. You can just have delicious breakfast after breakfast all day long. This was lunch, a nice big green salad. We've got some greens fresh from the garden, lettuce and some chicory, and with it we've got some pomegranate, some brown rice, got some walnuts in there. What else have we got? What else can you spot? Let me know if I miss anything. Olives, got a couple of olives in there, and sun-dried tomatoes, some raisins, some flaked almonds, highly nutritious, very, very tasty green salad for lunch. For dinner, we just got a little green salad on the side, and this is a nut roast, and we've got some fresh runner beans from the garden and a nice big roasting dish. No need to use oil with your veggies. What you can do is just use a dab of some grease on the tin itself, or on the tray, on the dish itself. Just wipe the dish with it and it'll stop the veggies from sticking. So there you go, that's my day of greens, that's my day of enjoyable food, getting greens into every single meal. I encourage you to get greens in, most importantly, get your green juice in the morning. That covers a whole lot of sins, covers a whole lot of non-green included meals. But if you can get greens into your other meals as well, even better. So let me know, what's your favorite way to get greens into your diet? What works for you? What do you enjoy? Do you like green smoothies? Do you like smoothie bowls? And what more do you want to see from this channel? Let me know in the comments down below. I will see you very soon.